Hello, my name is Carlo Dovicelli. I am 39 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Boyacá, Colombia. In my house there are 4 persons living here, my wife, my 2 children and me. I study environmental engineering in the 9th semester. My hobby is playing piano and playing guitar. I do not like cold weather. Last year, I visited with my family the so-called Guatica, which is located on the outskirts of the municipality of Tibasosa, Boyacá, Colombia. We were observing all the animals that are there. It is a very beautiful place in the middle of natural landscapes. We were there all day and I hope to return very soon. Thank you, teacher.